to my Sephora video? Give me a minute. FLLS fam, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm Maru, lifestyle blogger and content creator, and here on the channel I share all things home decor, beauty, fashion, and so much more. Today I'm coming to you with a quick video. Hopefully I can do this real quickly because you know so much stuff that Sephora has. A quick video on the Sephora sale. That's right, the sale started on November 5th and will run all the way to November 15th. Now, there are 3 tiers to the Sephora sale. There's Rouge, which is 20% off, runs from November 5th all the way until the 15th. There's VIB, which is 15% off, and that runs from the 9th all the way to the 15th. And then finally, Insider, where you'll get 10% off starting on November 11th all the way until the 15th. Now, there's absolutely too much that I could go through. However, I want to come to you and share those items that you definitely need to score or purchase because they're either great gift items, very popular items that sell out, or they're a little bit pricey, so you want to get them now, right? Sephora is known for their holiday gift sets, from lips to perfume to blushes, you name it. They even had one called Vacay All Day. I'm not going to show it to you, but I'll have it linked down below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Gift sets, because I have a gift guide coming up on the blog and it just makes sense to go ahead and share those. If you're shopping for gifts, this is the perfect time. Sephora sale is the perfect time to shop for the beauty maven, the person that loves to pamper themselves, that's into skincare and so forth. So I'm gonna go over the Sephora gift sets that I picked up. So the first one is called Sephora Beauty Must-Haves, okay? And this includes Fenty by Rihanna, Full Frontal Mascara, Grand Cosmetics, Grand Lash. It has a beauty blender, Benefit Cosmetics gel, eyebrow gel, NARS bronzer, ooh, Natasha Denona, what is that? Baby Biba and Monroe. Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. Way leave-in conditioner, they're really popular. Kosas wet lip oil gloss and dip, and then Milk Hydro Grip primer, which I have on right now. The best primer before foundation ever invented.
No shade.
I think that's it. So quite a few items, and I'll just go ahead and give you a little scan. This retails for $166, but it is now $54. Next up is the Sephora Favorites Lash Stash to Go. It includes Bite Cosmetics Makeup Mascara, Huda Beauty Legit Lash Mascara, the Pat McGrath Labs, one of the best mascaras I've ever used. And it actually came in another gift set, a perfume gift set, which I'll go over in just a little bit. And then, what is the last? Too Faced Cosmetics, excuse me. Too Faced Cosmetics Better Than Sex Mascara. That is a popular one. I've actually heard Jackie Aina talking about that. This retails for $57 and it goes for $29. Yeah. Gift sets, go ahead and get them. For the remaining gift set, this one is no longer available in these specific perfumes, but something very similar to this, same size box, same amount of perfumes, just different perfumes for the fall and winter, is actually available. And what I love about this is that 2 things. You get the, well, 3 things. You get the sampler. They give you a card describing each of the scents so that you can choose. And then what it comes with, which is no longer in here, is a certificate that you can then take to the store and get a full-size bottle. And with my certificate, I think I picked up Burberry Her. Isn't that a deal, y'all? And you still have the samples, so you can wear the samples, but you have your full-size bottle. Also makes a great gift, obviously. So check this one out. Even though it's not the same fragrances, they have this year's version out. All right, next up is the Sephora Favorites Deluxe Perfume Sampler. Again, this is empty. All my samples are out. It actually came with a Pat McGrath Dark Star Mini Mascara, Caribbean Massive. She's from Jamaica. I'm not from Jamaica, but I'm Caribbean. And it came with 7 samples, her mascara, and then a certificate to get a full-size bottle. This one is still on their site. It's still available, okay? So you can go ahead and shop this one and get that bonus mascara from Pat McGrath. It retails for $148, but you can get it for $75. Go ahead and get it. While we're on the topic of perfumes, I did mention that the Burberry Her, I got that as one of my free large size perfumes. Daisy Love, I got one of those as my free large size perfumes. I've had this one for a while, but I think last year on the Sephora sale or 2 years ago, I picked up the Gucci Bloom, a very popular one. Really popular right now and hard to secure is the KLE Utopia Vanilla Cocoa. I'm a fan of Gourmand. If you're regular on the channel, you know that I love anything Gourmand, anything vanilla. This is absolutely refreshing. So good. Refreshing in a sweet vanilla way. And the bottle, y'all, look at the bottle. Isn't that gorgeous? This is the vanilla cocoa. The vanilla is available. They have a vanilla, like a brown bottle. KLE has several different fragrances, but very popular on Sephora's site or just in the beauty industry for their vanilla fragrances. And then the Chanel Mademoiselle Cocoa. If you are a Rouge member, you need to go ahead and get started on your shopping, honey, because the items are selling out. But if you are a VIB member or an insider, hold tight, they're restocking often. This was a red lip set that they had last year. I went on the site, I saw that it was available one day and then the next day I think it was gone. So it may have sold out recently. However, they do have a comparable lip set for this year. I think this year instead of reds, it's actually nudes. Or they might come out with this red set again closer to Christmas. Go check it out. Retails for $124, you can get it for $45, the comparable set. All right, so that's it for sets. Let's go ahead and get started with some other non-Sephora collection products. Other items that I picked up was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Basics Deluxe Set. What point does it make to buy one brow pencil when you can get two plus a Brow Wiz, mini clear brow gel? And I think this was, it's retailed at $55. It's on sale for, or actually it's $33. And then you get the 20% off, 10% off, or the 15% off. And then, so excited about this. Tarte Cosmetics, hey Tarte! Tarte Cosmetics, I love them so much. Y'all know I've talked about this palette. This is actually still on the website. It came out, I think spring or summer, Tartelette in Bloom. I use it every day. This is the new one, okay? Am I showing my? Oh God, look at those colors. Okay, and I love the back. It's all gold. It's just so sleek. But Tarte Cosmetics has a High Performance Naturals Best of Blush Amazonian Clay Cheek Set, and it comes with five blushes. And the colors, do they have the name of the colors? So there's Fantasy, Charmed, Exposed, Captivating, and Delight. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Okay, I guess I should open up. Let me open up one of them. It's not a cream blush, it's a powder blush. Look at that. Ooh, y'all see that? Ooh, look at that. Oh, so just girly. I just love it. Anyway, Tarte Cosmetics 5-piece blush set. So let's move on to some lip products. All right, y'all, it's that time of year. We are not doing chapped lips. And so when you're going to bed at night or when you're sitting down cozy on the couch with your boo or whoever or yourself watching a movie, you need to treat your lips overnight with the Laneige Sleeping Mask. Am I saying that right? Laneige or Laneige? One of the two. But the new scent or flavor, why am I saying scent? It's not perfume. The two newest scents for the season are Ginger Snap, the brown jar, and then the red jar is Peppermint. This one I could not find online, but I picked up my order in store on the 5th, the first day, honey. I was not playing with y'all. And they had it in store. So if you're looking for the Peppermint, here's the plug. Go in your local store. They have them in the store. They have them. So there's Peppermint, there's Ginger Snap, there's the basic. This is not named a scent. I think it's like the first one that came out, just pink. And then last year, during the pandemic, I fell in love with the vanilla. But y'all already knew that was gonna be vanilla. Y'all know. All right. I support the Fenty brand. I love Rihanna. In my mind, she is my cousin. However, she sells at Sephora. So 20% off at Sephora, why not? If you're a fan of the gloss bombs or lip cream gloss bombs, honey, go ahead and score them. From Cookie Jar to Mauve Wives to honey waffles. Oh my gosh, I get compliments all the time on this color. What is that you're wearing? I think it's honey waffles. The lip cream gloss bombs, to die for. Her lip stains, everything Fenty. Anything that you like from Fenty that's a Sephora, go ahead and get it now during the Sephora sale. What are you waiting for? and then shop at her fancy site later on. All right, I cannot believe it, but we are wrapping it up. We are coming down to the end. I wanted to keep this really, really brief. I am going to list all of the products that I get from Sephora regularly or just this one time or during the holidays. I'll put everything down in the description box. I'll separate it by skincare and makeup. I really wanted to come to you and talk about makeup items or the items that are great for the holidays because they're gift sets, Sephora favorite collection set, or just cult faves, as they say. They sell out quickly. If you are a beauty girl or an aspiring beauty girl, raise your hand, raise your hand. You know that beauty blenders are essential, right? So this makes a cute gift idea because it's wrapped like an ornament. Look at this, it's wrapped like an ornament. It comes with 3 beauty blenders, and these are the total coverage sponge sets. The beauty blenders that have that unique, slightly different shape for total coverage. 3 that retail for $42, and this was actually $20 before your % off. Another item is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Y'all follow me? Niacinamide dewdrops. And these dewdrops give you an ultimate glow and brightening. Items like this that are not a regular purchase, that will be considered to be a luxury purchase, or something that you wouldn't get all the time, it's the perfect time to get it. Go ahead and get it, okay? So you could glow. Look at this box, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. So, perfect gift set. Look at this box. Here we go. Ooh, y'all. Oh yes, I'm feeling this. Let's go to Brazil. I think that's where they're based, in Brazil. Let's go. Okay. The Sol Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. That's what it's called. The Bum Bum Cream. And this is a 4-piece set that comes with the Brazilian Play Moisturizing Shower Gel, Bum Bum Body Scrub, Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and then the, ooh, yes. Ooh, where are we going? Pistachio and salted caramel. Oh God, they said caramel. Body fragrance mist. This is a really great gift idea. A really, really great gift idea. I found out about this company years ago when somebody gave me, like, I think a small sample about this size in a gift basket, and I just thought to myself, it smells so yummy because it's gourmand and vanilla and that kind of like almondy type of like essence to it, like vanilla extract. Sure enough, I started buying the regular jar, and now they have gift sets, and I don't know what to do with myself. This retails for it retails for $93. It retails for $93, and it's available for $62. Yes, y'all. So I think that's it. I really want to keep on talking. There's just so many more items from Sephora that I think you need to hear about, you need to know about. However,
we'll be here all night, y'all. All night.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Please be sure to comment down below. Give the video a like, okay? Let's just keep the algorithm thinking that we are a family, right? Because you are. And if you have not, speaking of family, go ahead and subscribe. I will be dropping a whole slew of videos coming up, but I'm not going to give any details. I just need you to go ahead and subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so that as soon as those videos drop, you will be able to watch first. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, I promise I'm not gonna hold y'all because I gotta go eat. I'm always talking about having to go eat. Okay, it retails for $148. Excuse me. Ooh, child. Y'all think Sephora gonna see this? Hey, Sephora! Why did I do this? Ooh. Okay, ooh. Sorry about that, I'm back. In one piece. Oh. Where is the button? Oh, there's the button right there. Okay. Maru, short video. Stop talking so much. Dressed in all black like the Omen. Now you know me. Hey. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have done that. They probably don't want to hear a little Kim. Okay. And I brought y'all black and white nails. Hey, Sephora.